welcome back to my channel and my garden. Today I'm super excited because I'm going to be harvesting my first corn ever. The corn variety that I planted is early Sunglow, and I have one other variety in there that I bought from a local greenhouse. I don't remember the name of it off the top of my head, so I will write it down below in the description section. But at least two of my corn are ready to harvest. The description on my early Sunglow corn says that they will be ready to harvest 17 to 20 days from the first day that the silks emerge. So today is going to be the 19th day. So I decided to come out here and harvest my corn today, and I just want to share that with you guys. So come on over. So I'm wearing gloves because I saw this ginormous spider right over there where I need to harvest one of the corn, and I'm really scared. And if you look all over the corn leaves, there is just a ton of pollen that's just covering all the leaves. It is crazy in here with the pollen. So this one is the one that I will be harvesting. So this one's supposed to be ready. So I heard you're just supposed to snap it right off like that. So let's take a look inside. It's really little. You can also tell that it's ready to harvest because the silks have all dried up. When they're new, they're very fresh looking like that, but when they're ready to harvest, the silks, oh, look at that. This is a wheat corn. It's not like the ones you buy at the supermarket. But as you can see in my previous video, I posted about how to get a full kernel of corn, and you can see here that each one of these silks are connected to one of these kernels here, and that's how, and if all of these get pollinated, you'll get a full ear of corn, which I have here. So far, everything looks like it's been pollinated, which is fantastic. So I'm just going to open up the rest of this. Yeah, look at that. Not a single one missing, except like the top ones, but I think that's about normal. So that's pretty exciting. So me and my husband, we're going to cook this up and eat this for a snack. It's a little one, but I'm super excited. I'm just gonna grab that one with the spider down there as well. So I'm just gonna leave this on the floor. Please don't jump on me. Ah! Oh my gosh! Go away! What? Ah! Okay, so here's the second one. So this one also, the silks have all dried down, and you can see here, I had mentioned before, I have spider mites, and I sprayed this down several times and they are just relentless. So I'm just going to, I don't even know what I'm going to do anymore with the spider mites, but at the end of the season, I'm just going to basically bomb the greenhouse. So let's open this one up. See all the silks. And there we are. Another corn. Looks pretty cute. There's a bug on me. Alrighty. Just snap that right off. Burn these husks since it has spider bites on it. I'll just leave it in here. All right. So here's our two corn that we're going to eat today. I'm so excited. I'm just going to steam these up right now. So I'm just going to take these up to the kitchen and steam them, and then I'll let you know how these taste. All right, so I got these in the pot in my little steaming thing, and we're going to cook this for about 10 minutes. It's ready. So they're all done cooking. They like almost turn like a translucent color, and it's super, super plump. I'm so excited right now to try this. My husband's holding a cone of his own. All right, let's take a bite. That's different. It's very juicy. And the kernels just like kind of pop in your mouth. It's very sweet.
Oh, we're making an ASMR. Watch us eat.
That's pretty good. Yeah.
Muy bien.